This is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Patrick got nominated by Lil Bethel. But yeah. There's my ice melt waters over there. You're in a hell of a ride, Fat Fudge. Stand right here. You're right there. Now come closer right here. It was a bit cold, Fudge. Here, look the other way. Stand. Yeah. Get ready, Fudge. Come closer.
Don't be fucking cold.
Okay, move. Put your... Okay, 3. We're not going to count, just going to happen, okay? Look through it. Okay, Pat got nominated by Lil Bethel, and this is ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
Fuck! Cold! 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 Cold!